Yeah. So I think it's time for the class. Yeah. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to 50 most tricky questions of programming and data structures, lecture number 2. It is the lecture number 2. Yesterday we completed one lecture. It is the second lecture. Today is the second lecture. In the last week, we discussed about 50 most tricky questions of that algorithm subject. That will be really useful to you. Please go through them. Right, all very important questions I kept in the 50 most tricky questions of algorithm. So if you see those 50 questions, mostly some questions from them will come in the GATE examination directly or indirectly. Now this week we will see 50 most tricky questions of the P&DS, programming and data structure. Yesterday almost like 4 or 5 problems I done. Right, today we will see few more problems. So before going to proceed further, please let me know if audio and video is okay. Please let me know if audio and video is okay. Check once. Check once if audio and video is okay. Yeah, it's fine. So thank you so much for confirming. So let's go to the first problem of today's class. Yeah, it is the first problem of today's class. Can you read once? It is the first problem of today's class. Can you read once? Can you read this problem? The first problem of today's class. Can you read it? The number of possible min heaps containing each value from 1 to 7 exactly once is. Means directly want to say with these 7 elements how many min heaps possible. With these 7 elements 1 to 7 how many min heaps possible. This is a very tricky question. It is a really very tricky question. It is already came in the previous paper. It may come once again also. The number of possible min heaps containing each value from 1 to 7 exactly once is. This question already came in the previous paper. It may come again. Maybe directly or indirectly, right? Maybe by decreasing the number of elements, by increasing the number of elements. He may ask you formula. So I'm thinking it is a really nice problem, right? It may come, right? We will see now. Right? Those people, if anyone know answer of this problem, please can you comment your answer? Can you comment your answer on the chat? Can you comment your answer in chat? Check one time. The number of possible min heaps containing each value from 1 to 7 exactly once is. If you know answer, well and good. If anyone knows, please can you comment? I will give the procedure today to you. So that any problem you can handle. So can I proceed? What is the answer for this problem? Can I proceed now? Right, let me proceed now. So I'm trying now. Please see everyone. Let us assume T of n is equal to, let us assume T of n is equal to let me write here. Let us assume T of n is equal to, I think it's a oversize. Let's see. That is fine. T of n is equal to number of BSTs, number of here min heaps, right? Min heaps. Number of min heaps with n elements. T of n is equal to number of min heaps with n elements, right? So I'm giving one nice procedure. Please, can you catch it properly? T of n is equal to number of min heaps possible with n elements, right? Fine. If you are okay with this one, right? Let's say this, right? See everyone. So if possible, please let me know. T of 1 means with one element, how many min heaps possible? One only. T of 1 with one element, how many min heaps possible? One only. What is the T of 2? With the two elements, how many min heaps possible? If you want, you can check one. Two elements, only one min heap possible. Suppose assume that two elements 1 and 2. Two elements 1 and 2. Because of min heap, root should be minimum. Only one possibility. This is the only min heap. If at all only one element, one min heap only possible, like this. If two elements are there, one min heap is possible. Right? Please check. Next one. What is the T of 3? T of 3. Three elements, how many min heaps possible? Three elements, how many min heaps possible? Everyone now. If three elements, right? Assume that three elements are 1, 2, 3. Assume three elements are 1, 2, 3. Right? How many min heaps possible? Out of those three elements 1, 2, 3, one person will be the root. Next one is 2 and 3. I think left one person will come, right one person will come. I think if you observe clearly, right? Left is right, left one person, right one person. So can you help me now? How many min heaps possible? One will be the root. Right? One will be the root. So if one is the root, 2 and 3. So please let me know. So how many min heaps possible? Right? One is the root means 2, 3. Left may go 2, right may go 3. Right? So maybe you can swap also. I think 2 possible. Number of min heaps possible with 3 people is going to be 2. Number of min heaps with the 3 people is going to be 2. If you want, I will write the diagram also. 1 is root, 2, 3. One choice. One more. Right? 1 has the root, 3, 2. This is a one more choice. So I'm thinking till now you are comfortable. Please check if anyone having doubt. Until now, if anyone having doubt, let me know. So further becomes very simple. Please check. Further becomes very simple. Can you check once? With 1, number of min heaps 1 only. With 2, number of min heaps 1 only. With the 3, number of min heaps 2. With the 3, number of min heaps are 2. I written the diagram also. With 1, this is the answer. With 2, this is the answer. With 3, these are the answers. Check once till now if you have doubt. Till now, if anyone having doubt, please check. Yeah, if you are comfortable, see the answer. Major story here only. See the major story here. What about T of 4? See the interesting answer. T of 4. With 4 people, how many mini heaps possible? With 4 people, how many mini heaps possible? See this one. Out of 4, isn't that 1, 2, 3, 4? Out of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 will be the root. Out of 4, 1 person is the root. Remaining people are 3 people. Root can be selected one way only. Remaining things are going to be 2, 3, 4. Can you help me now? Out of 2, 3, 4, left how many people will come? So root will be one way, 1 into. Root is one way only, 1 into. That's okay. So remaining 3 people, 2, 3, 4, left how many people will come? Because of, right, min heap tree is the almost complete binary tree. Min heap tree is a almost complete binary tree. Left will be 2 people will come. Left will be 2 people will come. With 4 elements, 1 is the root, remaining is 2, 3, 4. Out of 2, 3, 4, 2 people will come left side. Can you help me now? Out of 2, 3, 4, right? So you have to select, means out of 3 people, you have to select 2 people left side. What is the answer? Out of 3 selecting 2, 3C2. Out of 3 selecting 2, 3C2. So, means what is the meaning? Left hand side 2 people you selected. Out of 3 people, left hand side you selected 2 people. Can anyone help me? Left hand side 2 people are there, it's okay. With the 2 people, you only say with the 2 people. So we are already done. Let's see. With the 2 people, how many mini heaps possible? Right? T of 2. Left hand side 2 people came. The number of ways to get the people left hand side is 3C2 ways, because out of 3 selecting 2 people. With those 2 people, how many mini heaps possible? T of 2. Can you help me now? Right hand side, how many people? Out of 3, if you select 2 left side, 1 person left out. Out of 1, selecting 1 way. With 1 person, how many mini heaps possible? T of 1. With 1 person, how many mini heaps possible? T of 1. T of 1. Can you find the answer for this? What is the answer for this one? Can you check? 3C2 is 3. 3, right? 3C2 is 3. Into T of 2 is 1. 1C1 also 1. T of 1 also 1. So finally 3. Finally 3. Check. Yeah. Finally 3 ways. Verify. Finally 3 ways. With 4 people, the number of min heap trees possible is 3 people. 3 possibilities. 3 possibilities. Those people who are not getting, you may get more clarity now. Let's go for 5. 4 over, let's go for 5. See the 5 now. T of 5 is equal to, T of 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 will be root. Root selection is only one possibility. And one more thing. Out of 5 people, if you observe, left is I think 3 people. Out of 5 people, 1 person is root. Remaining 4 people. Out of 4 people, left 3 people should come. So out of 4, selecting 3, 4C3. And one more thing, those 3 people, number of min heap trees possible is T of 3. But if you see the right side, 4 people, 3 already left side, 1 person left out, 1C1. With 1 person, number of min heaps, T of 1. So which will goes to, what is the 4C3? 4C3 means 4 into, what is the T of 3? I think 2 into 1, finally 8. Finally 8. With the 5 people, number of mini heap trees possible is 8. 8. I'm thinking you are really comfortable. Can you see the one more thing? What is T of 6? Number of min heaps possible with the 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Out of them, 1 will be the root. 1 into. 1 is the root, it's okay. Remaining people, how many? 5 people. So can you help in out of 5 people, how many people will go left side? Out of 5 people, how many people will go left side? Totally 6 people, 1 person is the root, remaining 5 people. Out of 5 people, 3 people left side, right? 2 people right side. So what is the answer? Out of 5 selecting 3, 5C3. Out of 5 people selecting 3, 5C3. But one thing, left side 3 people came, number of min heaps, T of 3. So can you help me now? Remaining people, how many? 2 people. Out of 2 selecting 2, 2C2. T of 2, how many min heaps possible? Find out. So which will goes to 5C3. What is the 5C3? 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. T of 3 how much? T of 3 how much? Check. T of 3 is 2. 2C2. What is the 2C2 value? 2C2 value is 1. 2C2 is 1. 2C2. 2. Yeah, 2C2 is 2. 2C2 is 2. T of 2 is 1. Verify properly. Sorry for this, 2C2 is 1. So finally I think 2 cancel. So can you check one time? What is the answer? Check properly, calculate. So I think 5C3 means 5 into 4 by 1 into T of 3, I think 2 into 2C2, 2. Right? Fine. This is 1. Check properly. 2 cancel. 5 4s 20. 20 into 2 40. If I done anything wrong, please let me know. Yeah. Can you go to the last one? Can you go to the last one? This one also see. This is our last one. Can you see this one? What is T of 7? Can you see this one? T of 7. This is our goal. T of 7 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of them, 1 is the root. Remaining people are 6 people. Out of 6 people, selecting left how many people? Left how many people? See the diagram. Almost complete binary tree required. Almost complete binary tree required. So left how many people? 3 people. 6C3. So T of 3. Next one. Remaining people how many? 3. 3C3. T of 2. So which will goes to 6C3 value how much? 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. T of 3 is 2, 3. T of 2 is 1. T of 2 or T of 3? T of 3. This is 2. Verify properly. 6, 6 cancel. 5 4s 20. 20 into 2. Yeah, I think I done wrong. 2C2, what is the 2C2 value? 2C2 value is what? 1. Sorry for this. So which will goes to 5 4s 20, 22 into right 40. Yeah, I think that is fine now. 5 4s 20 into 2, 40. Yeah, this is also 3C3 is 1. 5 4s 20, 20 into 2, 40 into 2, 80. Yeah, I'm sorry. So that is the answer. I confused you. 3C3 I confused. 2C2 also I confused. Check now. 3C3 is 1. 2C2 also 1. So this is the story. Those people who are getting this story, I want to ask you one small line. Let me write here. Somewhere space required. I will try now. Somewhere space required. I am writing now. Yeah, see this. See everyone now. What about T of n? Everyone listen. What about T of n? T of n is equal to one person is root. Remaining is n minus 1. N minus 1 into C L. N minus 1 into CL. See this one. T of n is equal to one person is root. Remaining is n minus 1. N minus 1 into C left side people. So out of n minus 1, selecting L people. L is nothing but number of people on the left side. N minus 1 into CL. CL. Next one. Right? TL. Next one. Number of min heap trees possible with L people is TL. I think next one remaining is, I think right hand side one possibility, it's okay. So remaining how many people? Remaining how many people? N minus L plus 1 right hand side people. That is the answer. Left hand side how many possible? TL. Right hand side how many possible? T of n minus L plus 1. This is the formula. This is the formula. T of n is equal to n minus 1 CL. Right? T of L into T of n minus L plus 1. This is for left how many min heaps possible. This is right how many min heaps possible. This is the formula for this. This is the formula for this. So can you help me one small line? If anyone confused because of me, let's see this one. Out of 6 people, 1 person is root. So root is one possibility. Remaining 5. Out of 5 selecting 3. Because left side 3 people. Out of 5 selecting 3, 5 C3. So 3 people on the left side came. Min heap is possible with 3 people, T of 3. Right side if you see 2C2 means one way, one possibility. 2C2. This one no need to write also. If you don't write also no problem, because anyhow one only, no need to write. T of 2, 1 min heap. So if you calculate 40, calculate properly. 2 cancel, 5 4. 5 right, 2 cancel. 5 4 is 20. Sorry for this 20. 2 cancel. 5 4 is 20. That's fine. Now go to the next one now. Go to the next one now. So 7 people. 7 people. 1 person is root, remaining 6 people. 6C3. 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. That's fine. 3 people left side. T of 3, 2. This is not required also. Anyhow, 1 only. Right? Not required. Next one. Right side, how many people? 3 people. T of 3. That is also 2. That is also 2. I think 2, 3, 6 cancel. 5, 4 is 20. 20 into 4, 80. That is the answer. Final formula is, this is the formula. Please take care about calculations. This is the formula for this. This is the formula for this. T of n is equal to n minus 1 CL. Means left hand side L people came. L people how many min heaps possible? TL. Remaining is n minus L plus 1. Right. Left how many min heaps? Right how many min heaps? Right? Like this. Right. Please check if anyone having small doubt also. Check if anyone having small doubt also. Because of I disturbed you somewhere. 2C2 is something like 2 I written. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So other than this, nothing there. Right? Fine. Please verify once. Sir, I have this problem. Please verify once. Anyone having any doubt? Please check once. Now let's go to the next problem. Yeah, can you say this one? What is this problem answer? Check this one. Check this problem. See this one. You should get the binary search tree. See correctly. You should get finally binary search tree and one more complete binary search tree. Not only binary search tree, complete binary search tree. Complete binary search tree with 7 people. Complete binary search tree is like this. 7 people. Complete binary search tree is like this. With 7 people, complete binary search tree is like this. No gaps in between. No gaps. Can anyone help you now? If you want to get this kind of tree, if you want to get this kind of complete binary search tree, right? No doubt at all. No doubt at all. See this one. In the binary search tree insertion, what happened is whoever came first, he will be the root. In the binary search tree insertion, what happened is whoever came first, he will be the root. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? If you want to get a complete binary search tree like this one, the first person should be 4 only. First person should be 4 only. Because of the binary search tree, if the 4 is the root, left hand side is smaller people, right hand side people is greater people. So if at all other than 4, if someone else will come, he will become a root. Suppose assume that first one came. First one came, because the binary search tree 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will go right side. Then you don't get a complete binary tree. Suppose if at all first 7 came, 7 will be the root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will go left side. So, right, if you want to get this kind of complete binary search tree, first one should be inserted is 4 only. First one should be inserted is 4 only. Careful. First one should be inserted will be 4 only. Now one more interesting answer. Right, that is fine. First root should be 4 only, it's okay. But in the left subtree, listen, in the left subtree, right, whoever will come first, he will be the root. In the left subtree, whoever will come to this area, he will be the root. I think if you want to get this kind of tree, the next one should come is 2 only. Suppose unfortunately 1 will come, 1 will become the root. Definitely 2, 3 will go to right side. Then you don't get this kind of diagram. So if at all 3 will come first, 3 will be the root. Then 1, 2 will go left side. Then you don't get this kind of tree. So what I want to say, in the left subtree, first one should come is 2 only. First one should come is 2 only. And one more, in the right subtree, first one should come is 6 only. If at all right hand side, if 7 will come, 7 will be the root, right? 5 and 6 will go left only. No one will go to right. If at all right hand side first 5 came, 6 and 7 will go right only, left no one will come. If you want to get this kind of diagram, left first one should come is 2 only. Right first one should come 6 only. And root first one should be 4 only. So this is the diagram. This is the diagram. I think I am almost done this to get this kind of thing. And one more thing. After getting the 2 as the root in the left subtree, 1, 3, 1 also can come or 3 also can come. If anyhow 1 will go this side, anyhow 3 will go this side. You can, right? Anyhow 1 will go left side only because of the BST. Anyhow 3 will go right side only. Suppose assume that after 2, 3 came, anyhow you will go right only. After 2, 1 came, anyhow it will go to left only, no problem. After 6, right, 5 and 7, right, if 5 comes, it will go left only. If 7 will come, it will go right only. First 7 came, then also right only. First 5 only, after 6, then also it will be left only. So this is the diagram what they are expecting. Indirectly the question is, listen, indirectly the question is to get this kind of tree. How many insertion sequences possible in the BST? Indirect way of asking this question. Indirect way of asking this question is to get this kind of BST, for the elements 1 to 7, what are the insertion possible sequences are there? What are the insertion possible sequences are there? Let me try this. Let me try. So as I mentioned to you, root should be 4 only. First case, let me write. As I mentioned to you, right, root should be 4 only. So one possibility. Root is 4 only, no other way. And one more thing, root is 4, it's okay, right? Less than 4 is 1, 2, 3, more than 4 is 5, 6, 7. Less than 4, 1, 2, 3, 2 should come first. Less than 4, 1, 2, 3 means left subtree, 2 should come first. Next one, more than 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 6 will come first, right? After 4, either 2 should come or 6 will come. Or 6 will come, 2 will come. This is going to be 2 factorial. You can swap it. After 4, either 2 will come. If 2, left hand side root. If 6, right hand side root. There is no competition between 2 and 6. But one thing, after 4, either 2 will come or 6 will come. So 2 factorial, right? 2 factorial, that is fine. That's fine. The next people 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, they can come in any order, no problem. 4 factorial. They can come in any order, 4 factorial. After, right? Root should be 4 only. Root should be 4 only, one possibility. After root, in the left subtree 2 only should come. In the right subtree 6 only will come. Between 2 and 6, no competition. 2 and 6 can come any order. But one thing, after 4, either 2 should come, 6 will come. Right? So 1, 3, 5, 7 can come any order. Can you help me know what is the answer till now? 2 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 24 into 2, 48. 48 possibilities are there, right? So to get that kind of tree, 48 possibilities. Let's see a few more possibilities. See this one. Let's see a few more possibilities. 4 will be the first will come, it's okay. 4 will come first, it's okay. Next one. After 4, 2 will come, that is also okay. Listen. After 4, 2 will come, that is also okay. After 2, I kept 6 here. After 2, I kept 6 here. But there may be a chance that after 2, listen. After 2, 6 will come, that is fine. After 2, 1 may come. Because 2 children are 1, right? 2 children are left 1, right 3. 2 children are left 1, right 3. So after 2, instead of getting 6, 1 can come, no problem. Because right side, see, right subtree should be first to 6 only. But right subtree people are not coming till now. Left only can come continuously. After 2, 1 came. But 3 is not coming. Assume that 3 also can come. 3 is not coming. Let's see what happened. Let's see. If you see the right hand side, 6 came. After 6, 5, 7 is came. 5, 7 you can write 2 factorial. That is fine. But what about 3? What about 3? If you see the 3, that 3 can come here. 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 He can come anywhere. So that is going to be 4 possibilities. After 4, 2 came. Actually 2 and 6, right? In the above answers, if you see, in the first possibility, if you see, after 4, 2 and 6 came side by side. Now why can't like this? After 4, 2, after 2, 6 not came, right? After 2, 1 came, followed by 6 story happened, right? But what about 3? 3 can come anywhere. So 3 can, right? 3 can be kept in 4 places. This is the 2 factorial. 4 into 2 is 8 possibilities. Let's see the one more case. After 4, 2 came, that's fine. After 2, previously 1 came, now maybe 3 will come. After 4, 2 came. After 2, previously 1 came, now 3 came. Followed by 6 possibilities. 5, 7, 2 possibilities, that is fine. But if you see the 1 can come here, 1 can come here, 1 can come here, 1 can come here. 1 can come in all these 4 possibilities, any possibility. 2 into 4, again 8. Again 8. Now see one more possibility. Same thing will happen for 6 also. What I mean? After 4, 6 came. After 6, 6, right? 6 children are 5 and 7. Assume 5 came. Afterwards, instead of 7 came, right? This may be the case. What is the answer? 2 followed by 1, 3. This is 2 factorial. The 7 can come here, 7 can come here, 7 can come here, 7 can come here, 7 can come 4 ways. So 2 into 4 again, 8 ways. 8 ways. Right? Let's see the one more possibility. After 4, 6 came. After 6, instead of 5, 7 came. 5 can come at any way, but this 2 is same. 1, 3, 2 factorial. This 5, whatever is there, it can come here. It can come here. It can come here. It can come here. So which will goes to 4 ways, 4 possibility. 4 into 2, 8 possibilities. I think if you observe clearly, starting you got 48, followed by 4 8s, So if you see the total answer, 48 plus 4 times 8, which will goes to 80, Can you check now? One time? Any problem is there? Please let me know. To get this kind of tree, to get this kind of BST, how many insertion sequences possible? 80. First possibility is, see, all are very easy. The only thing is one time you have to take care. All are very easy. One time you take care. Please let me know if you have any doubt. This question is a really nice problem. Can you see one time? 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 These two problems, the two problems which I explained till now, they are very dangerous problems. Can you verify one time? Previous problem, this problem. Both are answer as 80. But these two are very dangerous problems. Can you check one time? Some students are saying, sir, these problems are taking lot of time. Some students are saying, sir, these problems are taking lot of time. In exam, how can I handle? Right? In exam, it don't take more time because same thing will come. You can do easily. When you are doing first time, then only it will take a lot of time. First time only it will take a lot of time. Right? Second time, third time, it don't take more time. Right? Starting only it will take more time. Right? Please take care. These are very easy. First possibility, if you observe the first possibility, right? If you observe the first possibility, after 4, in the left subtree, 2 only should come first. Yeah. See, after 4, this is the main root. In the left subtree root, 2 only should come first. In the right subtree root, 6 only should come first. Left subtree first person 2 only. Right subtree first person 6 only. Afterwards 1, 3, 5, 7 can come any order. But remember, left one 2 should come first. Right one 6 should come first. So here left and right side by side came. But what I done further is, I took only left one followed by again left one. Right one little bit postponed. Then 8 possibilities came. Same thing I done. Right? Main root, left root, followed by immediate one more left. Afterwards right. One more left, whichever is left out, 4 possibilities. Totally 4 to 8. Same thing I done for right also. Main root followed by right came first. Because left and right, anyone can come first. Right came, followed by again right came. Afterwards left story. Whichever element is left out, 4 possibilities. 2 into 4, 8 possibilities. Same thing I done right further also. Any doubt is there, sir? I am not okay. Please let me know. I will help you. Please let me know. I will help you. It may be looking like difficult to you. Yeah, Chinmaya, there may be so many ways. Anu is saying that 2n cn by n plus 1. That is the number of BSTs possible. That is total number of BSTs. For n elements total number of BSTs, this is the formula. But here not total number of BSTs. It is not the total number of BSTs. It is not the total number of BSTs. What is this? To get this kind of BST. To get this kind of BST, what will be the answer? If you apply formula, it will give all possible BSTs. The person who is given answer 2n cn by n plus 1, the person who is given 2n cn by n plus 1, this formula for 1 as the root, 2 as the root, 3 as the root, every possible, but here only 4 as the root. So whenever specific thing is coming, you cannot apply formulas here. It is not related to number of BSTs. It is related to this kind of BST how many? This kind of BST how many? Anu, are you getting? Anu, are you getting? Here the question is not number of BSTs. Here the question is not number of BSTs. Here the question is, right, to get this kind of BST how many ways? To get this kind of BST how many ways? Right, so this is the one of the possibility. Chinmaya, this is the one of the possibility. There may be some other possibilities. Right, learn one possibility, that is okay. In GATE exam mostly, Chinmaya, in GATE exam mostly, we have to use common sense. Rather than formulas, common sense we have to use. Especially CSC GATE exam. Especially CSC GATE exam, we have to use common sense. Just anyone having any doubt? Please verify. Anyone having small doubt also, you can check. See, this question can be asked in 2 ways. This question can be asked in 2 ways. Yeah, this question can be asked 2 ways. One way is like this. This question can be asked one way is as it is. One more way is for the given 7 elements, I want to get this kind of BST. How many possibilities are there? They will give what kind of diagram you want. They will give what kind of diagram you want. They will ask you to get this kind of diagram. How many insertion sequences possible? For every diagram, we cannot give formula. We can use brain instead of formulas. Right. See, for every diagram, see, to get this kind of diagram, how many insertion sequences possible? They may ask you some other sequence. See, in one of the exam, this question is given. Listen, in one of the exam, this kind of question is given. What is that? For 7 element, everyone listen. For 7 element, to get this kind of diagram. For 7 element to get this kind of BST, how many possibilities are there? For 7 elements to get this kind of BST, how many possibilities are there? In one exam, they asked a question like this, right? In one exam, they asked the question like this one. Check, anyone having doubt? Right, with 7 elements, listen, with 7 elements, to get the BST in this way, how many possibilities? One way. To get this kind of tree, one way. That's the reason there is no formulas. It is better to use common sense than formulas. Depending upon diagram, right? So the behavior is changing. Depending upon diagram, the behavior is changing. Right? Careful. So can I go to next problem? If you don't have any doubt, I can go to the next problem. If you don't have any doubt, I can go to the next problem. Yeah, true. If you don't have any problem, I can go to the next problem. Please let's check. So can I go to next problem? Yeah, see the next one. See the next one. Yeah, see the next one. See everyone, if you want, right? If you are preparing for GATE exam, you want to take the subscription in Unacademy, right? So you can get some discount by writing the Unacademy Combat, right? You are preparing for any competitive exam, you want to take the help of Unacademy experts, right? You can write Unacademy Combat, you can get some discount. If you do very good performance in the Unacademy Combat, you will get full discount, right? Please utilize this. So every Sunday at 11 a.m. there is Unacademy Combat. You can write that Unacademy Combat, you can get some discount, right? If they ask you in the Unacademy Combat, right, some referral code, use this one, Reddy sir live, right? Next, see this. If you are preparing for any competitive examination, like especially GATE exam, if you are preparing for a GATE examination, if you want to write the test series, there is Unacademy providing free test series. On 21st November with 65 questions, 180 minutes, there is a test, right? Utilize this. If you are preparing for GATE examination, right, there is a free test series on 21st November. You can utilize this. You can test your skills. Many students will participate in that exam. You can see overall what is your rank and all. And one more. If you are listening the class, suppose that you are preparing for competitive exam, right? So what you do is just go to the Google Play Store, download Unacademy Learning app, because many classes are free. In the Learning app, if you see many classes of the top faculty of India, many classes are free. So my suggestion is please download the Unacademy learning app, because of many classes of top faculty, lectures are free. So after downloading, just go to right, special classes, right, all the classes are free. And one more interesting thing, whenever class is going on, whenever class is going on, at anywhere if you have any doubt, there is an option like raise a hand option. You click on that, teacher and you both can talk each other. It is one of the extraordinary feature which is available Unacademy learning app, right? My suggestion to you is please have little bit of experience of it. It will be really useful to you. Next one, see this also. If right, in the Unacademy app only, if you see, there is an option like doubts and solution. When you click on that, they will ask which doubt you want to ask. If you send that doubt within 24 hours, one of the teacher will come, they will start giving reply to your question. So utilize this. And one more, if you are an iconic member, one more extraordinary feature is there, that is, if you are an iconic member, you can book a slot. With the mentor. You can start asking doubts. One-to-one. What is the meaning? You and the teacher only will be there in between. So you both can talk each other by booking slot. If you are an iconic member, you have that chance. Please utilize this. Yeah, so see this problem. What are the worst case complexity of insertion and deletion of a key in a BST? What are the worst case complexity of insertion deletion? And deletion of a key in a BST? Everyone know, right? Worst case is asking. Worst case they are asking. Right? So worst case of insertion and deletion of BST, you know very well, answer is N. You know very well, right? Worst case insertion deletion in the right BST is going to be N. Answer is N. Let's start. Answer is N. Check the options one by one. N is theta of log N? No. Next one. N is theta of N? N, right? N is theta of log N. Theta means equal. N is theta of N? True. For both insertion and deletion, I think this is correct. N is theta of N for insertion, log N? No. N is theta of log N? No. So answer is directly, you can say, answer is B. Answer is B. He is asking worst case. What are the worst case complexities? Worst case of insertion deletion is N. So in this problem he is checking not only knowing the time complexity, do you know symbols or not? Right? Option A, N is theta of N? No. N is theta of N? True. Right? Careful. So option C, N is theta of N? True, but I think deletion is theta of log N? False. That is the reason false. So answer is B. To this problem, answer is B. Now, can you say what is the answer of this problem? Yeah, one small question I want to ask. Is this color is visible? Is this color is visible? Is this color is okay? Is this color is okay? Yeah, I think tomorrow I will try to change the color. Tomorrow I will change the color. Yeah, can you see what is the answer of this? The worst case running time to search for an element in a balanced BST. Balanced BST means ABL tree. Balanced BST means ABL tree. Balanced BST means ABL tree. The worst case running time to search for an element in a balanced BST with what is the answer? N power 2 power n. This is n power 2 power n. N power 2 power n. I think it's not n power 2 power n. Sorry for this. Right? This is n into 2 power n. N into 2 power n. The worst case running time to search for an element in a balanced binary search tree with n into 2 power n elements is n into 2 power n. It is not n power 2 power n. N into 2 power n. I think everyone know. Listen. Everyone know the actual answer for this problem. N elements. This is the ABL tree. Everyone know. This is the ABL tree. N elements ABL tree searching time log n. N elements ABL tree searching time is log n. N element this is. What about n into 2 power n elements? N into 2 power n ABL tree log of n into 2 power n, which will goes to log AB formula log n plus n log 2 base 2, which will goes to log n plus n, which will goes to n. Check here, right? N. Answer is n. Answer is n. Answer is n. Answer is n. N elements log n, I know. N into 2 power n elements means log of n into 2 power n. Means log n plus log 2 power n. Log n plus log of 2 power n, which will becomes 2 into n into log 2 base 2, which is nothing but log n plus n, which is nothing but n. Check if anyone having any doubt. Answer for this problem is n. Yeah. So this is the wonderful opportunity to all of you. This is the wonderful opportunity to all of you. If you are preparing for competitive examination, if you are preparing for any competitive examination, Unacademy providing some excellent opportunity to you. See this one, 12 months iconic subscription, 12 months. Right, you have to pay actually this much, but there is a 20% discount. Special price of the week. Special price of the week. Normally 10% is right discount. Because of special price of the week, 20% discount is there. You have to pay only 45,000. So if you want to take iconic subscription, this is the best opportunity to please utilize. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, maybe you can say placements. Maybe you can say ISRO, BARC, maybe campus placements, maybe MNC preparation, anything you are preparing. So, right, it will be really useful to you, right? You can go for iconic subscription, 12 months this much. Plus also you can go for 12 months. After 20% discount, 26,000 you have to pay. So, subscribe now, then only you will get the advantage. Otherwise, only you will get 10% discount. Right? Please don't delay it. Please don't delay it. Next one. See this also. See this one also. 17th November at 8 p.m. 17th November at 8 p.m. digital logic is starting. 17th November at 8 p.m. digital logic is starting. Right? So, if anyone want to attend digital logic, you can start. Use the referral code REDDYSIR. Live. REDDYSIR live. Right? So use this. Yeah, so this is the next problem we will see in tomorrow's class. This is the next problem we will see in tomorrow's class. Right? Thank you so much for attending. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much for everyone. Right? Thank you so much. right? Check. If anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. If anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Those people who are watching this video, my sincere advice to you, my sincere request to you is, right? So like the video, subscribe to Unacademy Flux YouTube channel. Subscribe to Unacademy Flux YouTube channel. Today problems, whatever I solved, every problem is really valuable. Today problem, whatever I solved, every problem is really valuable, right? Please have a look one more time. Please have a look one more time. Today's problems, whatever I solved, they are really useful to you. Please go through it one time. Right? Fine. Fine. Good night. Good night.